Welcome to day 4 of the Cloves Challenge. Now, this is where things get interesting. Now, a lot of people report that on day 4, their sugar cravings drop dramatically. Why is that? Because cloves help the body to use carbohydrates more efficiently, meaning you're going to get a steadier blood sugar, steadier energy, and fewer, I think I need a sweet. You're not going to have those moments anymore. Well, I noticed this myself. I felt calm and focused and not consistently searching for snacks. Well, cloves were used in ancient times to help stabilize the body after heavy meals, and today we know why. They help balance how fast sugar enters the bloodstream. So, if you feel fewer cravings today, you didn't imagine it. Comment down below, day 4, cravings down. And tomorrow we're going to hit detox and skin improvements. If you haven't already checked out my book, Satisfied, Baking with Whole Grain Goodness, this is a book that is definitely a perfect gift for anyone who's getting started freshly milling grain. And it includes not only some of the teaching in the beginning about the value of real grain and how God created it, but it has some of my very favorite recipes for holidays, for every day. So many delicious recipes that I know your family's going to love. So yes, it does have the basic bread recipe, but it has many more recipes so you can extend your idea of baking with a lot of good recipes. Please check out Satisfied, Baking with Whole Grain Goodness.